In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add crossplay friends here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before you do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guy do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, it doesn't matter whether you're on PC, Xbox, or PS5, the process is going to be exactly the same. Once you're on this menu right here, or even the zombies menu, all you need to go ahead and do is head up to the very top and you're going to see this little social menu option. Go ahead and select this, and this is going to show your online friends, recent players, and everyone on your list. To add someone, just go up to the add friends section right here and go ahead and select it. Now, if you're trying to add someone on a different platform, for example, you're on PC and they're on PlayStation or Xbox, all you need is their Activision ID. Your own Activision ID is also shown in the social menu, including the numbers after your name. You got to just press copy Activision ID if you want to send it to someone easily. But when they send you their Activision ID, just paste it in the search box, type in their exact username plus those numbers, and then just hit search. And that is it. They'll pop up on here. You got to hit add friend next to them. And just like that, they'll be added to your friends list as soon as they do accept that friend request that you sent. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.